Hey everybody, Chris here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the cabin air filter in a 2003 to 2009 Toyota Prius. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the cabin air filter in this 2007 Prius, and procedures will be similar for a lot of Prius models from 2003 to 2009. But be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Open your front passenger side door. Then empty your glove box. Press in on the sides of the glove box to release the tabs and lower it partially. Slip the dampener off the post of the passenger side of the box. Now you should be able to disengage the hinges and lift the whole thing out of the way completely. Your cabin air filter is in the footwell, in a tray with clips on either side of the cover. Press in on the clips and slide the tray out. Make sure there's no dust or debris inside the housing. Remove the old filter from the tray. Install your new cabin air filter in the same orientation, making sure the edges of the filter slip under the tabs of the tray. Slide the tray back into the housing until it clips shut. Lift the glove box back into place and re-engage the hinges at the back of the assembly. Raise it enough to reattach the dampener and press it on both sides of the glove box to slip it up past the tabs. Replace anything you took out of the glove box and close it. And that's it. Everything that you need for this and other jobs is available at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our how-to videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon.